Today I will show you why your car with the shadow system won't be stolen. At the end, I'll show an example of its installation, but first, how to use it. Using the system is very simple. You either need to have this miniature tag with you, it is automatically read when the engine starts, and you can drive the car. The second option is to enter a PIN code using the standard buttons in the car, which you program yourself. Here's something interesting. The tag has a built-in motion sensor. When it is just lying still, it does not emit a signal. Thus, it is impossible for criminals to relay the signal tags from your home. I remind you, this is a very common method of theft. You have keys lying at home, criminals approach the house, capture the key signal, relay it to the car, and drive away without any obstacles. With the shadow system, this won't work because the tag does not emit a signal when it is lying still. Now, as I promised, I will show an example of the installed system. First, pay attention to the miniature size of the shadow system itself. This allows it to be securely hidden in the car. This is an example of a part of the wiring harness from a Land Rover vehicle. We know that the system is installed here. If you specifically feel around this area, you can find it. But if you don't know that the system is installed in this wiring harness, it will be almost impossible to find it, and your car will always be under reliable protection.